Crypto needs no presentation these days, which is very critical. Throughout the course of recent years, crypto has risen quickly incredibly. It is assessed that for the most part Smooth Love Mixture's worth and development will be cosmic, in light of the fact that it is so strong and has colossal potential, which is very critical. Contrasted with other resource classes, Smooth Love Mixture cost is trying to in a real sense foresee and delicate to economic situations. In any case, we explicitly chose to generally make the best projected esteem and assess development for Smooth Love Potion's future in an extremely significant manner. Last month's normal Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost was $0.00261, and according to our estimate, Smooth Love POTIO and SLP exchanged as high as $0.00342 and as beautiful low as 0.00 last month. Assuming that we center around commonly by and large development, for the most part Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense developed by 52.2913616784968 sort of the month before. From our last month's Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation, we anticipated that sort of Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, would proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now, Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging at $0.00308, which could top at $0.00650 soon. In light of pretty Smooth Love Potion's cost variances, we generally have in every practical sense anticipated that the cost of SLP would develop by $10.79% toward the start of WAC 2023. During the mid of spring, the cost is supposed to ascend by a limit of $110.68%. Before the month's over, SLP sort of is probably going to develop by $56.60%, which sort of is very huge. In view of Smooth Love Potion's cost changes, we essentially anticipated that the cost of SLP would fall by $10.79% toward the start of WAC 2023. During the mid of spring, the cost is supposed to fall by a limit of $110.68% incredibly. Before the month's over, SLP in a real sense is probably going to fall by $56.60%. As indicated by the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could be a fundamentally limit of $0.0108 by 2025 and especially least value down to $0.00907, which is genuinely huge. That being said, the fundamentally normal SLP cost could more at $0.00914. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Smooth Love Mixture came to $0.00342 when it dipped under $0.00200. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Smooth Love Mixture is en route to passing the $0.00678 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00678, it might really break its characteristic of 42 cents in reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Smooth Love Mixture will break its past all-time high of 42 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00650 and $0.00678 soon, which sort of is very critical. At this point, on 25 February 2023, sort of Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0.00308, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 15.52 M, and it makes number 200 money in the very entire crypto world. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation 2024. There most certainly is plausible that Smooth Love Elixir can get through the $0.00798 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The least Smooth Love Mixture cost will be between $0.00660 to $0.00798, and the most probable Smooth Love Elixir cost will fundamentally be consistent at around $0.00746 toward the finish of 2024. Despite pretty Smooth Love Potion's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Smooth Love Elixir will truly reach $0.00798 toward the finish of 2024, or in every practical sense, mid-2024, or so they thought. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2025. By 2024, market investigators and specialists anticipate that SLP will begin the year at $0.00909 and exchange around $0.0112. As per their forecasts, this would by and large be very high contrasted with last year in an unpretentious manner. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2026. There basically is a decent opportunity that exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not explicitly arrive at its normal most extreme $0.0141 level, in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir sort of is generally anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed especially high of $0.0136 or $0.0141 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of truly Smooth Love Mixture. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast, or SLP, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. Amazingly, Smooth Love Potion's cost fundamentally is supposed to outperform $0.0141 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Smooth Love Elixir will arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.0141, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.0118 in the following a long time from 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists basically say that Smooth Love Elixir value expectation and specialized examination, beautiful Smooth Love Elixir in a real sense, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0156 in 2028. In the interim, Smooth Love Mixture is supposed to explicitly arrive at any rate cost of $0.0146 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $0.0167. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the genuinely Smooth Love Elixir value expectation and specialized examination foresee that the expense of Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0.0225, and the cost of SLP ought to reach $0.0225 before the year is over in an unpretentious manner. What's more, SLP can reach up to $0.0208 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Smooth Love Mixture development. SLP value expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Smooth Love Mixture value forecast are supposed to cross the $0.0320 for the most part normal cost level, as per Smooth Love Elixir gauge and specialized examination in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Smooth Love Potion's base cost is supposed to be $0.0300. Moreover, SLP can truly arrive at and in every way that